My name is Grace Foster. I work for Pirtek York as an MSc mobile engineer. Every day is definitely not the same. I mostly enjoy meeting new people and travelling to different places all around North Yorkshire. One day you can be in the centre of York, next you can be at the sea in Scarborough or Whitby. Sometimes you're in the middle of the North Yorkshire moors. We can go from doing little breakers on the front of excavators to rehosing full wagons and trailers. Every site is different. I've been with Pirtek for just over 9 months now. There's been masses of support from the guys in the workshop to people on site, as they don't see women on site very often. It is a very male-dominated industry. Other women should definitely come into this career. It'd be nice to be able to have a bit of a community. Pirtek team here is really quite close-knit. We are so tight together as a group. I love the people that I work with. It's one of the perks of this job.
Grace has been great. She's one of them people you can call straight away. Great feedback from the customers.
I started my social media to see how I progressed in the industry with Pirtek, to put myself out there to other women in the industry that want to come in and see that it's not such a scary world. I've found the last 9 months of being with Pirtek absolutely amazing. Working here is probably one of the best jobs I've ever had, and I really would recommend it to anyone who wants to get into this industry, male or female. An absolute brilliant stepping stone.